Next section, cognitive development. Cognitive development is a field of study in neuroscience and psychology focusing on a child's development in terms of information processing, conceptual resources, perceptual skill, language, learning, and other aspects of brain development and cognitive psychology compared to an adult's point of view. In other words, cognitive development is the emergence of the ability to think and understand. A large portion of research has gone into understanding how a child imagines the world. Jen Piaget was a major force in the establishment of this field, forming his theory of cognitive development. Piaget proposed 4 stages of cognitive development. The sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational period. Theory of cognitive development, detail going on. First theory, Piaget's theory. Second, other theoretical perspectives. A. Speculated core system of cognition. B. Hobbes' hypothesis. C. Quine's bootstrapping hypothesis. D. Neuroscience. E. Cultural influences. Piaget's theory. This theory of cognitive development is a comprehensive theory about the nature and development of human intelligence. It was first created by the Swiss developmental psychologist Jen Piaget. Piaget's theory is mainly known as a developmental stage theory. First stage, sensory motor stage. Second, pre-operational stage. 3. Concrete operational stage. 4. Formal operational stage. Detail going on. Look at this picture. Sensory motor, birth to 2 years old. Second, pre-operational, 2 to 7 years old. 3. Concrete operational, 7 to 11 years old. 4. Formal operational, adolescence, adulthood. Detail 1. Sensory motor stage. infancy 0 to 2 years, intelligence is present. Motor activity but no symbols. Knowledge is developing, yet limited. Some language skills are developed at the end of the stage. Second, pre-operational stage. Toddler and early childhood, 2 to 7 years. Symbols or language skills are present. Memory and imaginations are developed. Non-reversible and non-logical thinking shows intuitive problem solving, begins to see relationships. Three, concrete operational stage. Elementary and early adolescence, 7 to 12 years. Logical and systematic form of intelligence. Manipulation of symbols related to concrete objects, grasp concepts of the conservation of mass, length, weight and value. Operational thinking. 4. Formal operational stage. Adolescence and adulthood, 12 years and on. Logical use of symbols related to abstract concepts acquires flexibility in thinking as well as the capacities for abstract thinking and mental hypothesis testing can consider possible alternatives in complex reasoning and problem solving. Second, other theoretical perspectives on cognitive development. A. Speculated core system of cognition. Many modern cognitive developmental psychologists recognizing that the term innate does not square with modern knowledge about epigenesis. Neurobiological development or learning favor a non-nativist framework. Researchers who discuss core systems often speculate about differences in thinking and learning between proposed domains. They are: 1. Number, 2. Space, 3. Visual perception, 4. Essentialism, 5. Language acquisition, 6. Bilingualism. B. Hobbes' hypothesis. The principle of linguistic relativity holds that the structure of a language affects its speakers. Would view or cognition, popularly known as the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. The principle is often defined to include two versions. The strong version says that language determines thought, and that linguistic categories limit and determine cognitive categories, whereas the weak version says that linguistic categories and usage only influence thought and decisions. See Queen's bootstrapping hypothesis. Queen argued that there are innate conceptual biases that enable the acquisition of language, concepts, and beliefs. Bootstrapping is a term used in language acquisition in the field of linguistics. It refers to the idea that human beings are born innately equipped with mental faculty that forms the basis of language and that allows children to effortlessly acquire language. As a process, bootstrapping can be divided into different domains according to whether it involves semantic bootstrapping, syntactic bootstrapping, prosodic bootstrapping, or pragmatic bootstrapping. D. Neuroscience. During development, especially the first few years of life, children show interesting patterns of neural development and a high degree of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity, as explained by the World Health Organization, can be summed into 3 points. 1. Any adaptive mechanisms used by the nervous system to repair itself after injury. 2. Any means by which the nervous system can repair individually damaged central circuits. 3. Any means by which the capacity of the central nervous system can adapt to new physiological conditions and environment. The relation of brain development and cognitive development is extremely complex. E. Cultural influences. From cultural psychologists view, minds and culture shape each other. In other words, culture can influence brain structures, which then influence our interpretation of the culture. These examples revolve cultural variations in neural responses. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.